Hello, this is Luke from Edboard. I am going to show you the method we are currently using to put magnets on the PCBs that just arrived. So here we have this double-decker template PCB. It's kind of weird. It's got two PCBs with one magnet in between. And so I'm going to put that on the side of our arbor press. And then I'm going to put two magnets right here. All right. And then I'm going to take my row of PCBs and I am going to line it up so they are upside down. And we get them lined up perfectly. Okay, I think that should be plugged in there well enough. So I take them out, looks like they're not well enough. So I'm gonna press them back in there. Alright, I heard it hit the bottom there. So I take it back up. And voila, we have a PCB with magnets in it. Alright, thank you guys. We can't wait to get these to you.